So using ELLEGANCE product, LILI, on the right side, clip away top area. So using hairspray first, back on the section, like that. Applying the section, LILI section. You have 2 clips on the roots, simple like that. Unclip the top, adding a little bit more length on both sides. You're gonna start at the back of the ear, diagonal section, using hairspray again, back combing the section, and now you can start using the A clip from ELLEGANCE. Another one. So you can play with different color. You have purple, you have blue. Hairspray. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. You see how simple, easy, and fast it is. What you want to do here is you want to continue the purple that you have here in the front. The hair clip you're going to use just beside the LILI section would be the same color, the same match. So this way it's going to have a feeling that your pieces here are longer. If the hair pieces are a little bit too long, you can personalize the hairstyle by using shears. Stylish, color, and really easy and quick to do.